Good morning, guys. I don't know why I bothered doing this, but I thought I'd give it a try. 3D printed single shot rubber band powered gun catapult, but my printer is playing up so much that's virtually see-through. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. It's printing, but it's just the filament itself is coming out very thin. Even though it's coming through fine. It is like it's not being pushed through properly. I've changed the nozzle several times. It's not a blocked nozzle. It might be the filament itself. Well, I thought I'd better just check whether it was actually the filament that was playing up again. So I changed to a fresh roll of blue and it's failed. You'll see there's a bit of a gap there. So it's obviously stopped coming through. It's got to be the drive in here, not pushing it through properly. Which is what I thought a while back. Maybe it's just that stepper motor. I have a spare. Hi guys, still looking at the problems with my 3D printer. I've just taken the fan off because I was going to change the hot end, because I happen to have a spare one that I bought quite a while ago and then did something else. Well, focus. I don't think all that filament should be leaking out there. That's coming out before it gets to the nozzle. So somehow or other that's leaking out. So it probably would be a good idea to actually swap that for that one. This one's got the full length Bowden tube on it, which we don't need, so I can cut that off to the length I need. Then we've got to feed these wires all the way back through here, down to here. I think that's where it goes, if I remember rightly. Yeah, well, I won't try and film all that. We'll come back when I've done it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.